With Urbalis Fluence, we are really setting a new standard for CBTC. Train-centric architecture is not just an expert's debate. It serves a real purpose to bring better operation, better maintenance, and smoother trips for our passengers.
At Alstom, sustainability is at the heart of everything we do. I had the opportunity to exchange with peers on the sustainable practices in procurement process. We also signed a partnership with Outokumpu, that is a supplier of stainless steel, and this will allow to decarbonize our metropolis cars. It's good to see that we are all here to prepare a better future.